Today was a pleasant surprise. I've been spending the day resting and doing some computer stuff, surfing, editing the Comic-Con video proper, and a surprise came in. Our Sunday newspaper, uh, Philippine Sunday Inquirer, has this magazine included, the Sunday Inquirer magazine, and in it is a large article on Lady Francis Yu, penciler for Superman, Batman, X-Men, Secret Invasion, and a lot of other stuff. And it mentions me quite a bit. Just a little bit. But a few pages later, there's a feature on my comic book, The Marvelous Adventures of the Amazing Dr. Rizado. And there's even more really neat comic book stuff, including this article, which features Filipino references in international comics. Stuff like Colossus wearing the Philippine flag, and stuff like that. And here's a long list of Filipinos working in American comics. And here's a review of comic books, local comic books, including Elmer. So there you go.